All right, before we get this video started, I want to give a big shout out to Byrne Automotive and Performance out here in Las Vegas. They did all the footwork to put something together I can be proud of, and I'm pretty proud of it. It's loud, it's mean, it gets it. All right, that's pretty badass. Birthday's coming up, so that makes it even that much more special. I like it. Alrighty, fellas and fellettes, welcome back to the Hot Damn Racing Team. And if you're new here, welcome. All right, big truck, lots of fun. All right, I got an action clip for you. I know you guys wanted some action, so action is coming. All right, low boost, and I was kind of just taking off lightly. All right, I'm a little scared. Okay, I took out my wideband O2 sensor pod and gauge and whatnot because it was just really annoying. I couldn't see whether or not I was in four-wheel drive. You know, I kind of get excited when I'm going down the track, and sometimes I forget to turn it off before I make that little U-turn at the end of the track, which is devastating for four-wheel drive. Looks better in my opinion too. I like it. It looks more classy like this. Got the boost. You got your RPMs and your speed. That's all you need, right? I don't use nothing else, but yeah, getting it cleaned up, getting it going. It still needs a lot of work. Still needs a lot of work. It always needs a lot of work. LED innovations, man. Oh yeah. Yeah, I've been getting at it a little bit, just a little bit. Just a little bit. Got to fix this deal up here. It's falling apart. It's looking musty. Yeah, it works, man. It works. All right, here's a little action. Hot damn hell yeah, y'all the baddest. Get some.